Many homeowners believe achieving a modern front door look requires a full replacement, but in reality, refinishing can dramatically update style without the cost or disruption. Modern design is often about finish, color, and detail, not the door itself. One of the easiest upgrades is color transformation. Deep charcoals, warm blacks, soft grays, muted greens, and rich wood tones instantly modernize a door, even traditional or older designs. These colors create contrast and a clean, updated aesthetic without altering the structure. Wood look finishes are another popular modern option. Even doors that were originally painted or faded can be refinished to showcase a sleek, contemporary wood appearance, adding warmth while maintaining a minimalist feel. Sheen adjustments also play a big role. Satin and matte finishes are staples of modern design, offering a refined, understated look compared to high-gloss coatings that can feel dated. Modern style can also be achieved by updating the details around the door rather than the door itself. Pairing a refinished door with streamlined hardware, black or brushed metal accents, and clean trim lines creates a cohesive modern entryway. For homeowners in HOAs or historic neighborhoods, refinishing allows for subtle modernization within regulations, delivering a custom look that still meets guidelines. Ultimately, modern front door style isn't about replacement, it's about smart updates. Professional refinishing gives homeowners access to contemporary colors, textures, and finishes that refresh curb appeal while preserving the door they already have. And Door Renew can refinish for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.